Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best tips and tricks for iPhone users and iPad users. How to save web pages as a PDF format. It's very simple tips and tricks. Let's start as a detailed demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your Safari browser. I just simply open here one of my blog. So here I am open here my medium blog. So look at this, and sometimes I am travel and I need to open this blog and read what exactly I am writing and so on. So in that condition, I need to save this blog as a PDF format. So you just simply click here as a share option, and inside the option several options are available here. You can see here top of the screen like option menu is available. You just simply click the option menu and look at this here, send as automatic PDF, read PDF or web archive. So simply click here as a PDF and done. So save file, where exactly you want save. So you can save any place, like suppose for example demo, and I save this file as a demo folder. And now I open in my recent. So look at this here, a recent file is available here, like entire blog as a save PDF format, very easily. And I can read or I can use anytime using these tips and tricks. It's very simple process to save any kind of website, blog or data on your PDF format. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.